Hi guys, I'm back. It's Ilene. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just going to share with you how I cover some boxes for mailing out. Basically, I'm using, for this box today, I'm using the Dollar Tree calendar. And even though it's 2018, I don't care because we're not using the calendar part. We're using the images inside the calendar. And so I took out a few of the pages that I wanted to use as far as inside the box paper. I'm covering the priority mailbox, the large box, and I used some of my scrapbook paper from Walmart. I used the color box paper, if you can see right there, and then I just took the calendar images that I wanted and covered it on top of that flap. So I'm only covering the flap because when you open the box, well, I didn't look at what I was doing. Oh boy. So it's upside down. This is the box. And I covered the images on the flaps. I mean, covered the flaps on the box, and that is what I came up with. And if you guys could see, so the top flap when you open it would be her on the top, and on the sides we have Mulan. So the flap, boy, I can't really show you guys, sorry. There it is, Mulan. I had to cut her in half because she didn't really fit across the front. And then the bottom flap is Jasmine. So that's all I have right now. And I don't put any fillers because the box itself is gonna be super full. And here's a smaller version of the priority boxes, the medium flat rate box. And I'm gonna fill it up with goodies. But I just did the same thing here. I took 2 pieces of scrapbook paper, and the 2 opposite sides will be the same color. So I have blue here and we have pink on this one. And I'm about to do the same with this box. I want to add some of those images onto the box itself here. I wanted some smaller images. I'm going to use Belle. This is all I'm doing. Taking the page that I want. Put that to the side. Take my paper cutter out. And I don't want to cut the words off, but I do want to cut the hole on the calendar. So, using my cutting board, I am going to use that. Let's make sure it's the right way. So, take the box. So here's where the address goes. So that would basically be the top of my box. And I'm going to take my image and just take her right to the top. And you see it doesn't really match the papers, the background papers, but I don't mind. So I'm just going to take that and mark it right where I want it. And I'm going to cut right there. Okay, move the box. I know it's a lot of moving and shuffling. Sorry guys, but that's how my workspace is organized right now. It's a hot mess. So we're going to find another image for the bottom flap.
Because I want to cover all 4 sides. So I don't like this because I know already the top of the bottom of that box there, the flap, it's super narrow. So this is not as big as the large box. So if I use this image, I'm cutting off most of the pictures, see? So, I don't want that. Let's find a different page. Maybe this one, and it gets the 3 princess. So, that seems about right. Except, you're cutting off the castle and the saying. The words. So, yeah. It's not good. I don't want to be wasteful of the images because they are so pretty. So we could probably use this one.
I'm just going to line that up. Off. But that's okay. I just want to take away the hole. We're just going to line this up and fold that, pinch it right there. Let's take that there. Yep, that's what we want. Okay, so we have those 2 panels. See if it'll fit. Yep, just like that. And it's so pretty. So let me just say, these are for my nieces and my nephews, and I'm covering these boxes so that the box itself is also a surprise, you know? It's very pretty. This is the top. Okay, I'm using my tape runner from Walmart, and these are brand new. I've used 3 rolls just this morning. They kept popping. The spring inside the tape, it kept popping. And my tape was not working. Look, this thing right here, ugh, it's a hot mess. I'm like, what kind of crap is this? So this is my 3rd runner today, this morning. I don't know why, but who cares? We just want to get this stuff stuck down. And there we go. There we have it. That's the first panel. Okay. And I'm going to do the second part. And hopefully this one doesn't pop off either. I already hear it. I've heard that same sound before it finally popped off. So I'm trying to go slow as possible. When I hear that clicking sound, usually it'll pop off, and I just facing this way. Oh, you can't see it. All right, I'll put it on upside down. Well, it looks upside down, but it's not. It'll be right way to you. And we just want to line this up again. Good enough. And there you have it. 2 flaps. And then we'll put the 2 smaller sides with more images from the calendar. And don't know which one I want, because this is very small flaps. So we'll see, maybe this one. It's a very small flap, so majority of it will be covered. Oh, I might just, I don't know. Can you see that? So the flap is really small. See how small this is? And the paper is way too big. So the image itself, the dog will be cut off, and so will the mice. Very, very small. Or nothing. Should I just leave it blank? Because it's already covered, I can also add other like stickers here on the side. You know what? Let's do that. Instead of wasting this beautiful image, I just wanted to show you the results of my box, my decorating box. So this is a gift for my nieces, and I should be sending this out shortly, but it's not for any holiday. It was supposed to be for Christmas, but it'll get to them before Christmas. And I would hate to say, you know, don't open till Christmas, but whatever. And there it is. There's my calendar covers. Let me just adjust that. So you see, that's the top of the flap. There's the main part of the box. And you can see we have Jasmine. I had to cut the one page of the 12 by 12 calendar in half so that I could have her here and her saying on this side. Or it's not Jasmine, that's Mulan. I'm sorry. And then Jasmine is at the bottom of the box, so I just cut her down to size. And just about everything in here is from Dollar Tree, guys. And just look at how luscious this box looks already with just those sequin pillows and pouches. So I'm not quite done yet. I might stick a few goodies into the bags, but I'm not going to show that right now because those are all gifts. And like I said, it was intended for Christmas, which, you know, I may or may not do, but put Christmas on here. But this is the results of the box, and I just wanted to share that with you. And then I want to share the last box, smaller, because it's for one little girl and two of her brothers. So that is what this box looks like. And you can see the top of the box when you open it. And it has Belle on the top. And this is the same calendar that I used for the other box. I just, from Dollar Tree, guys. And I selected the images that would fit the flap and still show their faces. And then for the boys, you know, they're superhero fans, so I just got a booklet from the Dollar Tree again, and it had all the superhero stickers on there, so I used that to decorate their side flaps for them. And here's the wall stickers, also from Dollar Tree. And then here's the other pillow that I hauled a long time ago. And then this, it's from Dollar Tree also. And then this is the bottom flap of this box, and it has Ariel on the bottom. And so that is it, guys. I hope you give it a try. I'm not big on decorating the outside of the box necessarily because, you know, things go through the mail, and usually when I get boxes like this, they're all messed up anyway. So I just leave it plain on the outside and just make sure that it's sealed up really good. And when they open it up, this is what they're going to see, guys. So like I said, no stuffing, just the items that I'm sending to them. And I think just opening that would be a gift in itself. So hope you give it a try and share it with me. I'd love to see what you guys come up with. And I know I'm not the first person to decorate the inside of the boxes, but I've always decorated the boxes on the inside for my family members, just making it a part of the gift. So I'll catch you all in the next video. Thanks for coming. See ya.